Good morning, everyone. Extremely sorry for the participator to wait for the session to start. Because of some technical issues, we cannot open the Zoom meeting. So that's what the rectification taken time. So really sorry for that. See, today it is a pre-market outlook discussion, which is going to be very calm and cool. That is a range-bound actions like yesterday. That too, within yesterday's range also may happen. So the 6th of August 2026, it is. As per yesterday's behavior, what we can observe as a review on NIFTY means. Yesterday, the NIFTY totally controlled within the third and fourth candles, that means daily candles range. Particularly the third August candles high and low is predominantly acting, and because of that, any break on the range of the third August candle would actually expected to open the door for the sharp movement on the either side. In case if it happens, the probability will be very high for low breakdown than the high breakout. As per the current behavioral structure, since the market has not, that means the NIFTY has not closed yet consecutively about 24,700 as a core behavior shift zone. So that can be expected in the way giving a chance for the sellers to re-enter or recapture the momentum. And within that range, as long as the NIFTY is trading, that maybe the consolidation without any direction may be continuing. Even for today, we are expecting the same. But after the breakout or breakdown, we can expect a sharp move as traded. In case if it breaks above the third candle's high, means for that too, the consecutive 2 sessions are required. Like we are expecting for all the key dates range break, this is very must to confirm by the way of closing 2 consecutive sessions on daily tape. That is what the review for the behavior, the NIFTY that has witnessed till yesterday. Since it is going to be the thin range based trading today also, the stock and the sector specific activities maybe help the investors or traders to find out some opportunity, particularly those for the day traders who can find opportunities based on the sectors we have mentioned here, along with some more sectors also can be added. But amongst these sectors, what you have been added, we may not be seeing a good opportunity on the large cap side today. But the mid cap and the small cap oriented stocks may be acting well, since the small cap index already hits the record high. So the activities from these kind of segment oriented stocks, small cap and mid cap oriented, can be in high focus. So that is what the strategy. And after a positive, but it is a very flat opening, the markets or the benchmark index is going to experience for the opening system. The trend for the rest of the day, as discussed now, might be immediately turning into consolidating within a thin range. That thin range, what we have mentioned here is 24,400 as the bottom and 24,700 as the top for the day. It should decisively have a break and a sustainability above 24,700 to see 24,800 as the next level of target on the upside. Conversely, for any decisive break down below 24,400 happens, means the momentum may be continuing on the downside till it reaches or find the support around 24,300. So that is what the level-based strategies one can follow for the day. From the position perspective, it has not changed since we have been insisting this point, as like for the recent swings and the recent 8th of July is high and all, we have mentioned, no, after you might have experienced the thing, how it has been acting. See, consecutive sessions, it required for any key dates break out or breakdown. For an instance, the 8th of July's levels we have been kept mentioning and indicating that the momentum may be picking up once it closes consecutively 2 sessions above or below line. In both sides, it has closed one single session but could not sustain in the immediate session. That's what the overall trend turnaround happened for that particular swings. For an example, 17th of July, the 8th July's high was broken and closed. But after 17, the market totally fallen down towards 23,700 from the 24,300 without having a consecutive second day close on the go. Like in the manner, end of the weeks, the Nifty has closed almost near or below the 23,805 as the low of that particular 8th July, near the 23,700, but it has not closed consecutively 2 sessions below to that point also. The important dates low. So the recovery happened. After that, the consecutive 2 sessions recover, and that has been done on the chart. By the way of closing above important dates, high of 24,300 made on 8th July. And of course, the swings high that was 24,356 that has happened on 17th of July. In both ways, the market confirmed by the way of closing consecutively 2 sessions. That's why it has turned into bullish and got some increased conviction, resilience, comparatively previous swings, previous sessions and all. That was the proof how the consecutive sessions close can have an impact on the charts. Like this, if the Nifty closes about 24,700 positionally for consecutive 2 sessions, one can have a chance of seeing 1,500 to 2,000 points, which has been keep discussed. That means the positivity about the pivotal actions of the 24,700 that has been already proved has been discussed now. On sectors front, metal as a core one can focus. Automobile and real estate. In case if the Nifty is trying to move higher, the short covering will be very high level of actions on the real estate. But until then, it may not be having a chance for building long positions on the real estate. So one can keep cautious note on it. IT, which is now in the cusp of making a turnaround, and the short covering based momentum can be expected on the IT stock, but for that it has to decisively close and the break and close above yesterday's high, at least in the larger time. Then the media can be focused for the profit booking under this media sector. Today's momentum can be expected. On the stocks front, based on the earnings outcome, the Hindalco Industries, Fargate Corporation, Cummins India, Arabindo Pharma, Biocon, fantastic results announced by the Biocon side. Berger Paints, Navin Fluorine, Policy Bazaar Fintech also announced a good result. And Navin Fluorine again, second time repeated, just avoid it. Newland Labs are the companies one can focus for the day to take an opportunity to trade on. Today's earnings oriented companies listed here that includes the important one, Britannia Industries under FMCG, Hero MotoCorp under automobile, LIC India after a block deal, OFS based block deal. What is healthcare? Premier Energies, Trend, Samvardhana Motherson International, Siemens Energy, Blue Star Company, Kirloskar Oil, Upload Types, First Source Solutions are the core companies are expected to announce their June ended quarter results. So all are advised to keep or deploy a concrete stop loss strategy across all trades. So that's it for the day in terms of pre-market discussion. Since this is going to be a consolidation day, one can have the approach of stock and sector specific one. Focus mid and small cap than large cap. Have a good day. Thank you.